doesn't have to be perfect. I think it's just like generally that area. Okay. Well, macro is not looking at indices. That's not the same thing. So it's two questions. I pay attention to macro in the sense that kind of want to know what the narrative is. And the narrative changed recently to, you know, rate cuts in September, right? Because then when you think about that, um, if you watch the stream I did on Thursday or Friday, I think I talk about it both days, but like, uh, okay, like okay, so if we're now expecting a rate cut in September, then that's going to be a catalyst for interest rates driven stocks, right? Like things like Upstart, which is why Upstart went after, well, it gapped up and then sold off and then went on earnings, right? It's why lenders are strong. It's why real estate is strong. It's why regionals are strong. Um, as lowered rates are going to save all the regionals that are overexposed to CRE. So in that sense, I pay attention to macro. In the sense that in indices, yes, I also look at indices, of course. I look at ETFs. Yeah, you know, things are extended, sure, but why can't we go higher? Like, look at this. Things are extended for sure, but why can't we go higher? Right? I mean, we could also fucking retest. I don't know. But what are the names? What's the market telling you? Right? What's the market trying to say? I feel like it's telling you that we're not that extended. But you know, maybe new leadership needs to emerge. Maybe it's not semis that continue to lead us higher. Maybe it's not the Nas, right? Maybe it's other names. Because SPY is back at highs, Nas isn't. So, oh, I tried to trade some APDN on Friday, but I just cut it. I mean, I would have loved to trade GOVX on this 30-minute hourly breakout, but this thing has like a yeah, like the spread is like what it is now. The spread is fucking like over 1%, dude. This stock is super thin. So I don't really fuck with that. Obviously, ignoring the spread and longing it worked, but whatever. This is the monkeypox stock that I want to be in, though. Bavarian Nordic. This is the real, like, the big cap one. This is the European one. It trades on the Copenhagen Nasdaq exchange. Um, this is the one that's holding out the best. This is the most liquid one, and it's the, a real company. It's 20 billion market cap. Uh, and it has good news flow, right? On this day, I got yeah, I got US government investment actually. Anyway, I don't know if you can trade the Copenhagen Nasdaq, but I can, so I'm waiting for this to set up. Yeah, I come up with ideas all the time. I but in the morning of, I'll see gappers. Sometimes something on my backwatch list, I'll get an alert for. Like I have alerts on most momentum stocks at key levels, right? Like I don't like on QS, for example, this is kind of dead, but I have an alert on this level because I want to see what happens if it breaks this level. So sometimes I'll see something happen that I wasn't paying attention to, and I'll trade it. Uh, but yeah, you should like everything that went and kind of died. Just set an you can backwatch list it, put it in the backwatch list. You don't have to focus on it, but set an alert, see what happens. Like even for shit like ALAB, I have an alert here just in case it goes. I wanna know. TME, oh god, this got wrecked. Or like on names that are just known to go, I always try to set an alert. Oh, I had one here, but let's reset it. It's passed. Okay, that's why it expired. Uh, I think AI is probably cooked for a while, but yeah, let's see what happens.